Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you a few stretches you can do with your partner at home. So grab your husband, wife, boyfriend, girlfriend, roommate, sibling, friend, whoever, and let's get started. Hey, Lloydie, we gotta make a video, come on. Tickle, tickle, tickle. So now that you have your happy helper, grab a mat and let's begin. Now, the first stretch we're gonna do is a V stretch. So take a seat on your mat and put your legs apart, kind of just in a comfortable V position. And your partner is going to apply pressure onto your back. So we're gonna reach up and go down while your partner gently presses on your back. And this is to really increase this stretch while keeping a flat back and not a hunched sort of round back.
Huh? Oh, you want to come out?
Yes.
Oh, you should have said.
The next stretch we're gonna do is a hamstring stretch. And you're going to lay down on your back.
Just skating into position.
And I'm going to have him stretch my left leg first. So your right knee should be bent. And you're going to put your left foot on your partner's shoulder. And they're just going to push down, yeah, and they're just gonna push down like so, and then I'm gonna resist for 5 seconds. So I'm gonna go 5, 4, pushing toward him, 2, 1, and a little bit more, and I'll resist again, pushing toward him, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and a little bit more. And then slowly come out. Thank you. So big no-nos in this stretch. When your partner is pushing your leg, it's really important not to lift your hips off the ground. Keep your back flat on the floor and don't open your right leg and or your left. This should be in one straight line and your right knee should just be parallel. And a final note, don't have your partner push on the knee because it can result in bending the leg. So the next stretch we're gonna do is an assisted quad stretch. So you're going to lay down on your stomach on your mat like so, and your partner is going to go on their knees like this, grab the leg, and I'm just gonna stick my knee under his, right? And then push down.
Gonna resist.
And he's gonna resist for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And again. And resisting, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Make sure that you're not rolling your hip off the mat this way. Your hip should be flat on the mat. Your feet are stinky.
Right.
Sorry, I should have let it go slower than that.
I'm hurt.
The next stretch we're gonna do is called a frog stretch. And you're going to be laying again on your stomach on the mat. And you're going to spread your legs and then bend them in like so. Yep, kind of like a frog. And what your partner is going to do is press on your feet. Now, what Lloyd is doing, that's a big no-no. Your butt, your hips stay down on the mat, okay? So this is a bit painful. but it's very, very good for your turnout. Make sure your partner is pushing on the ankles of your feet, and also have your partner just press down gently, no bouncing up and down. They're just going to push gently down. Nice turnout, Lloyd.
It's almost like I'm a professional ice skater.
And once you've hung out there for about 2 minutes.
What, 2 minutes? Try 30 seconds.
Once you've hung out there for a minute, have your partner take their hands off and just take your legs out slowly. The next stretch we're gonna do is a back stretch, assisted back stretch. So you're going to lay out in a Superman position, like so, and your partner is going to put their hands in your armpit, wrapped around on the outside, right? And just slowly lift up and up and up, like that, until you've reached your limit. And maybe just hang out there for 10 seconds.
2 minutes, I thought.
And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Have your partner slowly bring you back down.
We don't want any broken noses.
No broken noses. And after that stretch, it's very important that you go back into child's pose and stretch out your back the other way after quite an intense stretch. The next stretch we're gonna do is like a standing split stretch, and we're gonna do forward, side, and back. Now, I'm going to take that off, and ideally you could be pressed up against a wall. I'm gonna be facing this way just so you can see it a bit better. And you're going to put your leg on your partner's shoulder, and your partner is gonna have their hand here on the shin and here above the knee on your quad. And you're gonna slowly come up. Good. And then I'm gonna press down for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And go some more. Good. And I'm gonna press down again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. And slowly come down. Now, no matter what, don't have your partner put their hands on your knee, because you can really hurt yourself that way, and we don't want any injuries. So that's a big no-no. And we're gonna do the same thing to the side. So I'm gonna hold on to the wall here and just put your foot on the shoulder and rise up, Lloyd. And now I'm gonna press down on him. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And up some more. And I'm gonna press 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A little bit more. There you go. And your partner could use their hands to get it up just that extra inch. Yeah, very good. Thank you. Now, it's super important for your partner to have their hand on the shin and above the knee on the thigh here, not on the knee. Otherwise, you can really hurt yourself and injure your knee. So yeah, we don't want that. And now we're gonna do the same thing behind us. So we're stretching our spiral position. Good. And I'm gonna press down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. and push up a little bit more. I'm using a chair. You can either use a chair or a wall for some resistance here. And I'm pressing down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And a little bit more. Good, that's my limit, I think. And down slowly. It's really important for your partner to ease your leg up in these stretches. It should never be thrown or forced up like that. Otherwise, you could really hurt yourself. And in all of these positions, it's really important that when you get to the peak, that you don't bounce it, you just keep it still. And don't forget to stretch your partner too, if they want to, of course.
Wait, what?
Oh my gosh.
That's my limit. No, don't go on it. No, you're gonna kill me. That's enough. That's enough. It's enough. Bend.
Now, just to go over some key points in every stretch, never have your partner bounce or pulse any of the positions. That's a big no-no. And you don't want to hold a stretch for over a minute. I would say a minute would be the maximum amount of time. And make sure you do both your right and your left leg. I hope you guys had some fun and maybe learned some new stretches today. If you liked the video, give us a like, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys. And if you like the content we create, check out the Patreon page for more.